The year 2022 has been another year of challenging economic experience. The year began with the beginning of economic activities in the aftermath of a global COVID pandemic. However, as time went on, key events in other parts of the world, such as Russia-Ukraine conflict, exacerbated the remaining shock from the era of the pandemic. In addition to the shaky post-pandemic economy, there is higher inflation, especially as food prices continue to rise. Gladly, however, many farmers have been able to return to their farms, which will hopefully bring down food price as crops are harvested. This is mainly a result of modest successes achieved by our administration in fighting against banditry in a recent time. As we prepare to go into the 2023 fiscal year, the economic prospects are brighter. The commodity price, especially oil, remains relatively appreciable, and there is a greater prospect of winning the long-running battle against banditry in the state and other parts of the country, respectively. These are glad tidings of our people. You might recall that a few months ago, when the bandits scaled up their attacks, displacing community and preventing people from farming activities, we deemed it necessary to institute additional security measures to combat the menace. We have recruited 500 community protection guards across the 19 Emirate Council of the state. This gives a total of 9,500 community protection guards across the state. In addition, we have also recruited hundreds of youth under the State Anti-Thuggery Standing Committee. These efforts created a job opportunity for the youth and at the same time complemented the effort of our conventional security operating under this new initiative. The following committees were established: Special Committee on Intelligence Gathering on Banditry-related activities, Management Committee on Operation of Community Protection Guards, Committee on Prosecution of Banditry-related Offenses, State Security Standing Committee. The Community Protection Guard have already received training and will be fully equipped to discharge their assignment. Their role is to implement the effort of our conventional security forces in securing our community and fighting banditry in all corners and angles of the state. The recent successes resulting from a military assault against the banditry strongholds in a forest near Gadazema, community of Bukum local government area, are further evidence that the new security architecture being implemented in the state is producing the desired outcome, as I have repeatedly said. If we are to win the battle effectively and speedily, we must bring the fight to the bandit doorstep. Therefore, we must continue to invest the necessary funds in the provision of equipment and the logistics our security forces need to do their duties in the best possible way. At this point, I would like to commend the heroic effort of our gallant military and other security forces. They have been performing wonderfully at various theaters across the state. I salute them for their enormous sacrifice in the battle of restoring roots of increase and restore peace in our state and the entire Northwest sub-region. We thank you, the security officers. Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable members, even though 2023 is an election year, we will not relent in our effort to confront and address the multitude of challenges affecting our state in the course of implementing the budget. We will redouble our effort in rooting out banditry and associated crime. We will keep working to build a firm, formidable, and enduring foundation for the development of our dear state. We will leverage the unity among the political class, which has been fostered by our administration, to further promote good governance at all levels and maintain a pan Zamfara administration that will hasten our effort of building a new Zamfara state. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the education sector, Mr. Speaker, and honorable members, and our appreciation the fact that education is a key to any meaningful development of any society. This administration has been up and doing toward revitalization in the sector. Even with the security and other challenges, we have remained those, and our commitment to the sector, we have undertaken the renovation and the rehabilitation of schools across the state through the State Universal Basic Education Board. We have equally supplied furniture to many basic level schools in the state. In 2022, we released the sum of 289,036,000 naira to NECO as payment of registration fee for our students. We hope to settle all outstanding payments to enable all our students to access their results. In addition, we have equally paid the sum of 15 million to National Board for Arabic and Islamic Studies for our Arabic and Islamic related examination, and 6,600,000 for NAFTE, which is the examination body for our technical school. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, equally we revived the writing of the mock examination to prepare our final year secondary school students for relevant examination accordingly. We released a sum of 38 million for the conduct of the mock and junior school living certificate examination for our science schools. The sum of 38 million was released for the purchase of science equipment and reagents. Mr. Speaker, with regard to employment generation, my administration has provided employment into the state civil service a total of 5,950 individuals drawing from the 14 local government areas of the state. This individual has been offered employment across 18 MDAs. This development has jacked up the state monthly salary figure for civil servants by 167,333,440 naira 15 kobo. Similarly, we have implemented our standing promotion of the state civil servant, which have not been implemented for the decade. Mr. Speaker, my honorable members, we are also committed to implementing the national minimum wage of 30,000 this November by God grace. On this note, I want to appreciate the labor leaders for embracing dialogue as a tools of engagement with the government on the part of our team in civil servants. It is my sincere hope and expectation that they will remain alive to their responsibility and committed to implementing government policy and programs of all levels. Review of the 2022 budget. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, you might wish to recall that I presented a budget of 159,481,857,029 naira 67 kobo before this honorable house for the year 2022, which was based on projected recurrent and capital revenue of 79,553,680,575 naira 67 kobo and 79,928,176,454 naira respectively. Accordingly, the corresponding recurrent and capital expenditure formation were 73,506,857,029 naira 67 kobo and 85,975 million naira respectively. By the end of the third quarter of the year under review, precisely the end of September, we noticed that the budget performance was 49,129,960,878 naira 10 kobo, representing 31%. This was due to the shortfall in our projected revenue. Therefore, in order to dance in tune with reality, the budget was reviewed downwards to 133,701,435,000, consisting of 94,806,025,000 and 39,086,610 million recurrent and capital revenues, as well as 99,174,435,000 and 34,527 million as a corresponding recurrent and capital expenditure, respectively. Mr. Speaker, a highlight of proposed 2023 budget, the policy objectives, All the existing policy objectives will continue to be enforced in the 2023 fiscal year, emphasizing cost efficiency and effectiveness in implementing all government projects and programs. In addition, government will seek support from other donors in coming up with the improved 25-year state development plan. 2023 budget proposal, Mr. Speaker. The proposed 2023 budget is anchored on multiple grant resources in order to make it physically realizable, coherent, and consistent with our medium and long-term strategy plan. The formulation of the budget has come with a lot of challenges of higher demand for more than 300 billion from the ministries, departments, agencies, which are the instrument of implementation of government policy and programs. However, they are streamlined to accommodate our immediate needs. We will therefore complete all the ongoing projects and embark on some new major capital projects this year. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, it is in the basis of the point mentioned that the proposed 2023 budget is estimated at 188,872,227,000. This is made of 98,976,227,000 and 89,896,000 as recurrent and capital revenues, as well as 102,564,207,000 and 86,308,020,000 as recurrent and capital expenditure respectively. Mr. Speaker, some major project and program to be executed in the year 2023 is as follows. At this point, Mr. Speaker, it is pertinent to mention that the 2023 budget has been designed to enable us adequately mobilize resources to contain the raging insecurity across the state. To this end, the sum of 20 billion has been budgeted for the security sector. Similarly, to enable us to respond to humanitarian challenges arising from banditry and related crime, we are devoting the sum of 10,800,000,000 for humanitarian services. In the same vein, we have made a substantial allocation for the education subsector to the tune of 21,268,000,000. Health sector will receive 18,424,000,000. Also, agriculture is allocated the sum of 4,867,000,000 respectively. In addition to the completion of the ongoing project, we also intend to undertake the following project during the year 2023, Mr. Speaker. Provision of relief materials for the victims of banditry, flood, and other disasters has been earmarked the sum of 8,300,000,000. Completion of Gusau International Airport, which is earmarked the sum of 4 billion. Construction and ultra-modern stadium and hotels in Gusau, which is expected to cost 5 billion. Joint UBEC and the UNICEF intervention will receive the sum of 4,500,000,000. Construction of Alfina Gusau Road will receive the sum of 2 billion naira. Completion of ongoing township road and a new urban road will cost the sum of 2 billion. Food security grants to farmers will receive the sum of 1.5 billion naira. Construction of state catering hotels, which has already in place in 3 zones, which will cost 1.3 billion. Renovation of Jibril Balai and Kubu Secretariat is to be allocated 1 billion. Mr. Speaker, with this, the details of the budget will be submitted to the State Assembly by the Secretariat and the Office of the Secretary to the State Government for more details. I therefore thank all the honorable members, particularly the honorable Speaker, for sparing their time with a short notice for presenting this my budget at this moment. I therefore thank you all and God bless Nigeria.
He is now being assisted by the Commissioner of President Clerk of the House to lead the document before the House. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. The 2023 appropriation bill. Excellency, the Burden Kasar Hausa, Dr. Dalo Muhammad Matawalle Maradun. It is now my honor and privilege